Hello guys, this is Nitin Power. Welcome to my channel. There is a new topic in the town which is widely been discussed among your friends, colleagues in office discussion, which is ChatGPT. There are like some discussions are going on whether is ChatGPT is good or not, whether it will take your jobs or you will lose the jobs, or how the future unfolds regarding this chat gpt. So I thought that I should cover this chat gpt. I've been using that chat gpt, and from my experience I found it is very helpful if you know what exactly you want from that system. So in this video, I will try to cover some of the important topics from the QA perspective, or you could consider as from dev perspective also. Anyone who is like techno savvy who wants to take the advantage of the system, then definitely they can use the chat GPT. To use the chat GPT, first of all, you have to create your login credentials. You have to sign up, and then once you log in into using your credentials, somehow like this is how the dashboard will look like. So from QA perspective, so how this chat gpt is helpful for you. So consider that you want to write the test cases, you want to write the test plan, or you want to write the test strategy, you want to bring some automation in your project. So if you don't have any programming knowledge, then how you can take the advantage of chat gpt. So in this video we'll talk about that. Consider firstly, I'll go step by step. So consider that you want to write the test cases. You don't have to do anything. You just come over here in the new chat, a window will appear. Here just you have to provide what kind of test cases you want. You just have to give the chat GPT the scenario. Consider that I'm giving him write a test cases in tabular format to test the target table loaded correctly from the source file, right? And if I hit the enter, so what ChatGPT do? Based on these data sets, whatever data sets it have, so it will give you the test cases. And so now you can see that it's writing the test cases. Let him finish writing the test cases. Now consider that I haven't provided him any information regarding the source table or target table, but by default it is like giving me the example of this particular target table and source table. So now you can see that verify all the records from the source file have been loaded into target table. That would be our test cases. Verify that id is populated correctly, name populated correctly. So this way you can take the advantage of this chat gpt, so that you don't have to manually write down the test cases. Here what you can do, you can change this data according to your needs, and you can update it over there. So it will save your time and you can focus on some other things. So this is one of the use of that chat gpt. Then apart from the writing test cases, you can use this chat gpt to generate the test data. If I say that generate the test data for, I'll say, random numbers or anything, whatever is your requirements. So it will help you, it will generate the random test data for you. So right now you can see that some random examples it's generating. If say stop generating, it will stop it. And consider it's a human behavior. Now, if I'm giving him that, no, I don't want random numbers, I want alphanumeric numbers, or I want like addresses, different addresses. I want give me data for random address field for 100 records or 20, 30 records or anything, whatever is feasible for you. 30 records. Now, see, so you can use the chat GPT to generate the test data also. Then there is one another thing. So whenever you are doing the quality analysis like quality assurance or doing testing for any project, somewhere down the line you may encounter where you want to compare the data. Consider that you don't have the knowledge of any VB scripting or Python scripting or any other scripting. So at that time, you can take the advantages of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you the code for that particular comparison. So now here you can see that it's given me the test data. I'm taking the new chat. Here I'm saying that Excel to Excel comparison using using displaying comparison. Excel to Excel comparison using Excel macros. So now you can see that it will give you the steps how you can do that, and it will give you the code also to compare your workbooks. So using that code you can definitely automate some of the tasks which you are performing in your like project. You can take advantages of it to prepare the test strategy, prepare the PPT, or have the topics, then take those topics, use any other platform, and then perform the operations or the any other things what you want in your project. So this is what I found very useful. If you know what you want to achieve in your project, then definitely ChatGPT is like something which can help you to accelerate those things, to give more to the project, or to like if you want to learn more things, then definitely that will also be there. Consider that if you want like target to us supposed to target comparison script comparison script in Python. So now you can see that I don't have any programming knowledge of the Python, but definitely you can just go through the code, see what exactly it is doing, and then you can add additional to it, like, or you can suggest him like, no, I want this particular file or this kind of data. I want to compare those data. Then give me the code. So I would suggest like what I think is that this will reduce your time, but definitely be cautious how to use it, where to use it. Don't try to provide your project data over there directly, because you don't want to have that data maybe used. Currently, I don't think so. ChatGPT is storing our data, but definitely you don't want that escalation happen to your project in your project, whether it get escalated that you directly feed the client data to the ChatGPT. So be cautious. Take only the advantage of the ChatGPT. Don't rely on the ChatGPT directly or 100%. If you know, if you want to automate something in your project, you have some basic idea, then definitely you can explore the ChatGPT to take the advantages of this. I hope you like what I shared over here, but definitely for QA or any dev, this ChatGPT is currently working fine. People are taking advantages of it. I hope you would also do the same before organization starts banning the chat GPT. So best of luck for that. I hope you enjoy the video. Just put down the comment section if you want to know more details about it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.